nísìnyí yóò a ó máa bá dádì máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ jomi tó rọrọ̀ lórí arákùnrin náà àti pé ohun tó tún ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ìbò ń pè ní latest news nípa Jeffrey yìí ìtòrí rẹ̀ náà lè ṣe wá o tó dádì ó yẹ bá mi gbóhùn sókè dáadáa nípa ọ̀rọ̀ iṣẹ́ yìí tẹ̀ ń bá bọ̀.
Okay, nípa at the moment is nípa the trending news lórí Jeffrey nísìnyí ní àná which was on the 20th of this month, that was Tuesday. I spent over nearly 4 hours on the telephone to make inquiry with booking condition Jeffrey. So I rang the City of London Magistrate Court, Marylebone Magistrate Court, police station, the city police station, the city police, the Westminster police. They keep directing me to different people, call these people. So I believe they now told me, look, which I know, according to the law as well, that Jeffrey is adult. He has the right not to be into no prison, no custody. So so they cannot give me information about him.
Okay.
Which I agree with that, I know. So, but from the after Timothy police station, different police station. After I said, so different people. So one man now told me, look, as soon as I said, because due to his previous case, to was on the 18th.
Okay.
They want to find a phone here, which is the criminal damages as well. When they find a phone, so that case is
criminal damages as well. No, you know.
I think so because according to what I had, I'm not precise. I'm not pretty sure about that. So, go to get the fine phone here. So that means fine to get here. We look at it in law as it's not an indictable offense. It's a summary offense. We have a summary offense, we have an either way offense, we have indictable offense. So I classify that onto the summary offense. So that's why they could release him on bail.
On bail. So you need to pay by to release the
yes,
Jeffrey.
I believe it's on bail according to the information I've gathered now. So he's on bail, but we need to get in touch with him because there's a lot of things that he's entitled to. What is it? I believe Gbogbo Walamari, Nigeria High Commission, won't post the passport to Jeffrey on the website, on the social media. I hope it's separate.
Why?
Very good point. Why? Because my post here. My post, one post that the defender the passport is ready.
Okay, the passport is ready.
That was the 6th, or I think on the 6th of this month. So that is not the issue now. So the law is very complex. You need to know that's not the issue now. Why do you have to post his passport on social media?
That's with his name and picture.
Yes. According to the law. One leg to share, but there's a law governing it under the Data Protection Act. Thomas, you be date of birth,
oh yeah.
Number one. Place of birth, possible contact passport number, possible contact one of he has 3 names, Jeffrey Akumbe Oweme. Possibly 50-50. They may TPS one of it or leave it. That one may not have bet. That's one. Either they want TPS for his personal security. Now, anybody can use his details now for fraud.
They can use his details for fraud.
Yes. So he has 51% to win the case and to get money from the Nigeria Commission. So if you know the whereabouts of Jeffrey, please, and get in touch with us on 07923 173 863. We can fight for him.
But daddy, fún àǹfààní àìmọye ẹ̀dá tó ń wò yín báyìí, ǹjẹ́ inú mi ti ẹ̀ dùn nínú àwọn olólùfẹ́ yín kan kí ló ń pè wọ́n náà mo rẹ́ nìkan nígbà Olúṣọlá ẹ̀rí olúwa Adéwọ̀dù JP mo rí Yéwándé ọmọ ọba àwọn tí ń sọ pé àwọn ti bá yín share fídíò yìí dáadáa mo rí Elizabeth tó sìn bákan náà ni mo rí Yéwándé lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ọmọ ọba àti èèyàn bí èèyàn it's a blessing ọjọ́ ó já sọ pé Olúmídé èrò pọ̀ lẹ́pẹ̀tẹ́ tí kò sí ẹ̀.
is one of our comrades.
tó dábì fún àǹfààní gbogbo wọn yìí ṣé ìbá mi ṣàlàyé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí arákùnrin yìí gangan.
Okay ṣé mo nǹkan tó olóyìnbó máa ń ṣe kinní kan ṣe ní management. I study marketing in my olden days, but there's something in management. How to escalate conflict. There are some clients. You to my businessman, you might see some clients they are troublemaker. When you have a troublemaker client, as a businessman, there's a way to deal with troublemaker.
Deal with troublemaker to calm him or down.
Yes, this is managerial issue.
Okay.
Now, before I go to that area to conclude in that area, you need to ask me. A lot of people just saw me on the first
time on the show,
and they were concluding wrongly. Bàbá bèrè lọ pé arákùnrin kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ṣe fún Nigeria Commission kí nǹkan bá ṣe? Why do you come out now? So now the issue now is that AOC, not under AOC there, I was bearing Akinola law show by or the rule of law of later mo change Akinola law show. Later people change AOC. I want all those things are documentary. Mo ti ń bá Nigeria Commission for Finance láti 2007. Títí wo how many years now?
Hey, láti 2007.
Yeah, under the previous administration.
Okay.
Àwọn nǹkan tí lẹ́tà tí mo kọ síbẹ̀ yẹn nǹkan kan wà dé pé one man mo gbàgbọ́ pé ní ìsìn àwọn tó kọ sí mi tẹ́gbọ́n mo lè fẹ́ máa sunkún. After about 500 words tí mo kọ sí ó kàn sọ pé you are welcome to do anything you want to do.
You are welcome.
Mo ní kó ṣe báyìí ní kí n ló bẹ́ ṣe fún. So who do you want to report to? And now taba break it down is in management. In any institution, in any reasonable institution, I use reasonable words, not institution, reasonable institution. That institution to logbon lórí, to lóye, to mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Only that's why I use the word reasonable. When my staff as the Security Nigeria Commission, to any conflict, there's a stubborn or disturb or trouble clients. So this staff of this security will handle it. Please, can you hang on? Let me call the supervisor in the camp. To what the my client almost okay. I as a staff, in my profession, I need to use my diplomatic, my professionalism must come out straight away. Money that escalate the tension here from the customer. That is the rule of that is the basic thing. So those security people, they're supposed to have calmed down. Please don't worry. Let me call my supervisor to come and deal with you. Now you could see Jeffrey pressure is high. I want second party to see you. The tension will come down no matter how it may be. That means you can devote your mind to another person to my listens here. Now, if there's procedure of supervisor there, put it since Jeffrey overcome pressure down. Now, assuming pé supervisor now he or she cannot handle it again. The next stage is supervisor, okay, at this stage I don't know what to do better. What I can do now is in order for you to bring it down, please you have to say please, not commanding tone as we teach us, but please let me
ẹ jọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olùfẹ́ wa ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ wa dáadáa nílé ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ wa dáadáa can you hear us loud and clear nítorí pé àwọn kan sọ wípé bóyá ká báwọn increase the volume yẹn but can you hear him ẹ jọ ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ wa àgbọ̀n sà.
The supervisor now will say okay please if the supervisor now writes look I can't handle this case you know so please let me introduce my manager to you. The manager will be able to help you out. Now tó bá pè manager with managerial experience, with vast experience, if you know how to escalate the tension from Mr. Jeffrey, that thing wouldn't have happened.
But what actually happened, sir?
According to the news I heard, so it is. I will say it is not official. That was what Nigeria Commission told us, but I don't believe Nigeria Commission, and I will tell you why later. Nigeria Commission told us that this guy came late. Number one, they told us that he did not have his sleep. So those are the reasons why they could not give it to him. Now, those two things, we have discussed it with the Deputy High Commissioner. in order to escalate frustration, something like this not to happen. Because we live in the UK, we have been constrained with the doctrine of the UK. So we know how system work positively. Then we approach former deputy ambassador there, the commissioner, that is Cabribala.
Okay.
That sir, from our feedbacks, thank Bolen and diaspora, those are the clients. Okay? Some of them are not happy, especially the people that comes from countryside. Almighty, don't you about passport number, now, in order to escalate this bomba shade, what we see now, that happened on the 17th, we have foreseen it that it will happen, and we notify the authority. That's it. That's basic thing any institution should do. Now, the question now is, what does Nigeria Commission do to prevent it? They did nothing. Because if they do something, that means deputy former ambassador should have put something in place. Whereby we demanded for suggestion box. Up to today, there's no suggestion box there. If there is, possibly Jeffrey will have dropped a note there, which the management will read and understand the frustration of clients. Nothing like that was there. And we have discussed all those things with the deputy high commissioner. That means there's negligence of duty there. And when there's negligence of duty, it is not an excuse. The high commissioner have to be sacked. We call something in law vicarious liability. What is the meaning of this vicarious liability? That means, for example, it may not be you, but musician is at the head of this place. You told me, so that customer on this shubu. The customer wa dé nísìnyí tó wá ṣubú, customer ó máa sue company. So that means it's suing you at the end of the company. Wípé òun ṣubú nínú company. So now, they hold them responsible. Court hold them responsible as the boss. So the vicarious liability means is a principle, it's a doctrine, whereby we hold the boss responsible for the errors of the bottom of the junior staff. So in this situation now, what happened here, I could see is criminal law and civil law now. Because I've been involved in this thing for long. So I can say I'm holding the commissioner responsible for what happened. Because failure to ensure there is adequate procedure that client can follow to ensure that this thing doesn't happen.
Ẹ kú àtọ́tọ́ ní látàárọ̀ agbẹjọ́rò wa. Tó but kébì béèrè ká sì lè gbà pé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí Jeffrey ti wà on bail now ká gbà bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ni ẹrùpọ̀nù àbáyọ nísìn fún àwọn ìjọba wa gangan lọ́wọ́ ẹ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ìlú àgbà passport pàápàá jùlọ àwọn tó ń wá láti countryside lọ́hùn-ún kí ni ọ̀nà àbáyọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ?
Ọ̀nà àbáyọ tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni, you see, there's something that we need. What is effectiveness of management? It is not about pé kẹ́mà lẹ́yìn tún ìbẹ̀yẹ and tún ọ́fíìsì ń ṣe. It's about doing the right thing. Putting the right structure in place, right procedure in place. For example, this is your company now. You put the right thing in place. That's why you're enjoying it.
Yes.
If you don't put it in place, you can't enjoy it. It's a common sense. What do they put in place? That is what I said, suggestion box. Suggestion box will help the management to know what are the challenges of the customers. And number two, how did they talk to us as Nigerians, as our customers? They didn't give us respect. They talk to you as if they are doing you a favor.
Nigeria House.
Yes. And we have tabled all those things with Nigeria High Commissioner, the deputy commissioner. Look, this is not the best way to do it. You are here because of us, according to the law. Now, let me quickly digress. I think on the 27th of February 1958,
Sir?
Tafawa Balewa made a statement then in House of Reps in Bailando, Lagos State, House of Reps, before the Chief Abuja. He said, now that we are about to take our independence, the whole world will be looking at us for two things. He said, now, the purpose of all high commissioner globally now is for two reasons. One, for economic purpose, to make money for the nation. Two, for the well-being of their Nigerians in that place. And the well-being of Nigerians in that place, she classified individual well-being and the business corporate. Now, the question now is, do you see Nigeria Commission, do you think Nigeria Commission, they hold every one of us duty of care?
Duty of care.
Are you receiving any duty of
care from them? No.
So the two reasons why they are here is not to make money alone for the nation. If they make money for the nation, who are going to spend it? It's supposed to be for us, the citizens. But because we are not recognized, it's already them on top record eating the money.
But that is not the thing about Fago, even because I want to know that even before the case of Jeffrey, I was in káàkiri ní gbogbo agbègbè Nigeria House. Ìgbà kan tí ẹ lọ gbé pátákó kan fúnra yín ẹ̀yin nìkan lẹ́sìn ń ṣe gbogbo ìyẹn. Dáàbò lágbà tí ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí jẹ́ ẹ ti rí bí àyípadà sí rere kan àbí ẹnìkan tẹ̀sí lè pè yín láti ìjọba Nàìjíríà ni o kò ń ṣe Nigeria House nígbà yìí o láti Nàìjíríà. Is there any positive answer from there? àbí ṣọ́ọ̀tì lè dá sí up till now?
Ẹ ṣe gan. Nǹkan tó bí mi nínú tí mo fi lọ sí court in June this 18 nìyẹn. Because it's not that Jeffrey is frustrated. I am frustrated. Do you know reason we are frustrated? According to the law or according to management, let me put management now. There are procedures to follow when there's conflict at all. You need to exhaust the internal procedure. What are the internal procedure? That means keep collector or can report for management in Now we have reported to the Nigeria Commission by over 20 letters.
20 letters?
Yes, which I have in my record. No, that is documentary, they put my over date. No response. Now, after the deputy commissioner, okay, mobile phone address the email ambassador himself, just Ambassador Oguntade, one for me. Now, what do? I send letter to Ambassador Oguntade by post, by email, through deputy. Okay, how about I want to talk to ambassador. One ambassador letter me. Letter to send, miss the internal. Miss, mo drop a letter by hand. Mo to post. One miss. One I will rate mo post. But miss in Nigeria. Okay, it's mo drop by hand. Go. One miss from desk to desk. Frustration. Now, mo to was send another one by recorded delivery. Mo feel it home. One okay. I want to read it. Ambassador my work to read material. No feedback. So now we have exhausted the internal procedure now. The internal be exhausted. Now we want to go to the external. Who are the external procedure? That is we look at who is the foreign minister. That is Godfrey Onyemen. We copy Godfrey Onyemen all the letter. The letter we send to Ambassador Oguntade. We send a copy to Godfrey Onyemen, who is the foreign minister. No reply. The second external, that is Abike Dabiri, the head of the diaspora. We send copy of letter to her. No reply. Now, how come on the 17th when the incident happened, Abike Dabiri replied instantly and condemned the action, which I agree with her. Okay? Now, I have been in front of Nigeria High Commission with over 200 appearances. Abike Dabiri want to tell me she hasn't seen any of those things.
And she has ignored all that.
Now, why does she have to take action when something bad happens? That is the question. That is why I want to go to court to go and discredit Nigeria High Commission globally, including Nigerian government, as irresponsible. I have the records. So I've exhausted the external. Now, the last external exhausted in London. Then we have a notable, recognized Nigerian community here. What is their name? You might not know because they're not responsible as well. We call them Kanok. Kanok. Now, I sent copy of the letters to the Kanok chairman, that is Dr. Douglas. Since January, no reply. You only acknowledge I've seen it, I will get in touch with you. That was all. Now, on the sorry, you asked me a question. Let me
Yeah,
explain.
go on.
Now, after I was frustrated as well because I'm not getting a response from all what I'm doing. So that one is giving me mental torture as well. So on the 17th of last month, you know, that guy happened on the 17th of this month. My own frustration happened on the 17th of last month. What happened to my own frustration? I read from the Vanguard News in November last year that Deputy High Commissioner is no longer in the UK. That is Kabibala. We want to transfer to see South Africa.
Okay.
But now, that is what I heard from the news, I read. But Malowo website, I keep seeing this gentleman on the website in November, December, January. So by January, I have to write letter to Nigeria Commission again.
Okay.
Please, we want to know if Kabibala is still in London or is in South Africa because we read it from the paper. But Kabibala is still in your system. If he's not, then update it.
Okay.
They didn't do anything. January, February, March, April, May, I was upset. So I went there on the 17th of May to drop a letter from there by hand, which I addressed to Kabibala. Because as at that morning, I still saw him there as our ambassador. So I addressed the letter to him. Now, and I dropped the letter to the security by hand. He now look at it and say, Kabibala is no longer here. God, man. What I pay, bomb will shell lórí mi ni. I keep banking. F word started coming out from my unconsciously. So that was what happened to that guy. So that day, I was banking Nigeria High Commission door, call police.
Really?
Because that was exactly 1 month now. Last month, the video is there, it's in my phone. I banked it that door, call police. I'm frustrated. Why can't you update your record, update your system?
So if you can be frustrated, that's why this guy.
That's why
Can
people
be
doesn't
frustrated as
know.
well.
People doesn't know what is happening there. People are just judging what the guy did is wrong. I agree, but what led to that thing? Now let me conclude it before you talk, sir. Now that was what they did to me on the 17th. On the 17th, now they have to remove that man's name. When I went because I was violent to them. Does it supposed to be so? No. So when I got home that day, I checked it again. They remove him.
They remove the name.
Yeah, they remove him
From the
as
system.
ambassador. No. So from November to May, does it make sense?
No.
What is the responsibility there? That means they are ineffective. Now to conclude it now, on the 28th of May, I now went there because I want to talk to somebody. I'm disturbed in my spirit, man. I'm mentally disturbed. I want to talk to somebody. Now, I went there. I was lucky to go inside. I sat down and waited. They said somebody will talk to me. Nobody talked to me. They said nobody can talk to me. I said no, I must talk to somebody today. I'm frustrated. I want to talk to somebody today. They asked me to go. I said no, I'm not going. Until when I see somebody. So what's the next thing they do?
Yeah.
They now call police. They called police and told police that I said I want to destroy Nigeria Commission. So when the police came, all those with gun, I don't know, maybe they told them I got knife or gun with me, I don't know. The police came, they just, one F3 man, two of them with gun. I was wondering who they came. I said, it's me. I said,
What have I done?
what have I done, sir? Only they called me and say, I want to destroy the embassy. I've got something to do. I said, no. When you came now, what do you mean? Make me sit down. I hold my file. I said, I'm waiting for a counselor to come and see me. That's what I'm waiting for. He said, no. So that was what they told them. I said, but this what happened? The police said, no, okay. What will happen now is that, okay, let's go outside. The police now told me, okay, I should write another courtesy letter to Nigeria Commission. That was on the 28th. On the 20th, that was 30. I wrote another courtesy letter to Nigeria Commission. Up to today, no reply. And I addressed that one again. Who do I address you to Ambassador Kuntadi directly? And I have recorded delivery. Recorded. Can I show it to you?
Yeah, please. Thank you very much, my sister Olushola Erioluwa Adewodu. Any is time for only is time for real change. Yeah,
real change must come.
I think but change is now time. Ayọ̀ Ògúndìmú sọ pé o Nigerians must get behind AOC, we must all get involved.
That's my friend. Hey, Citizen AY, thank you very much.
Only we must all get involved o bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Tó fún àǹfààní gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí àwọn wà nílé tí ẹ fẹ́ pè àti pé tí ẹ fẹ́ sọ fún wa nípa experience yín kankan ní Nigerian House ẹjọ́ trọ́lọ́ ẹ pè wá sórí 078-503-97511 078-503-97511. Òpó ti ṣí kalẹ̀ báyìí o bá a bá lẹ́nìkan abẹ́nìkejì tó fẹ́ pè wọlé báyìí 078-503-97511. If you are calling, please don't call in now on his own mobile. You can just call the studio number, which is 078-503-97511. Because I've been seeing some people calling him now. One lè gbàgbọ́ ẹ má pè wọ́n nísìnyí. So àmọ́ ẹ pè studio number 078-503-97511. So daddy, fún àǹfààní ẹlòmíì tó fẹ́ gba nọ́mbà títí yín because a lot of people will call you after this program. So can you please tell them your numbers?
Okay, thank you very much, my viewers. You see, we have a lot of things we do. There's a trending news now regarding the EU family and the non-EU family that you want to get your paper because you have a child that is a British citizen. Please call us, we can help you out. And if you want to regularize your status in any kind, please call us. So call me on this number 07923 173-863.
Ó ti jáde ẹ bá ń pèlè ẹ̀kan fún wọn.
I repeat it.
Ẹ kọ́lẹ̀ o.
07923 173-863. So our office based in Evelina Road in Nonhead. That is London, SE15 2DS. So that's number 8 Evelina Road. So our company name is London South Law Chambers. So you can see us there, then we'll be able to help you out. Please, we don't put money first. We put the well-being of our client first. So just call us, we'll be able to help you out.
But daddy, tí anybody bá pè ní studio báyìí tó fẹ́ gba àmọ̀ràn kan lọ́wọ́ yín àbí kejì nípa immigration status or something, ṣe lè ṣàlàyé fún wọn on air báyìí.
Yeah, mo lè ṣàlàyé fún yín, but any àlàyé tí n bá ṣe fún yín nígbà yín nísìnyí, I call it an obiter. Pé nǹkan dà kàn sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Why tó jẹ́ nǹkan dà kàn sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó pé mo kò máa sọ̀rọ̀ generally ni. Not pertaining to our own case. Because only that you are real. That is what the law says. I can give advice, but the advice will not be reliable.
Dáàdì tá a bá rí bí àgbàlagbà kan àbí ọkùnrin àbóbìnrin ìlú yìí tó ti pẹ́ bí ó ti lò bí ọdún bíi 15-20 ọdún ìlú yìí kò lè níwèé ìgbèlú kò lè ti dàgbà. So à ń sọ̀rọ̀ bí age of 60 or 60 something. Dáàdì ṣé àǹfààní ṣì wà fún láti gbàwé ìlú ìjà?
Yes, in that area we call it under circumstances. Why? Well, the circumstances. Number one, could you meet the criteria?
How?
Only 15 years. That is illegal.
Okay.
So the law of 15 years, the law of 14 years is no longer applicable.
Okay.
It's 20 years now.
20 years.
Number one point. That 20 years, they're going to guarantee it has to be persuasive. So now, being an elderly man, he passively may be, but it's not the real potent.
So until tó bá pé 20 years,
20 years. However, only not for 20 years, to meet some lawyers who can persuade the Secretary of State. We come worship for because of this, because of that. So now, we will back by anything. About interview a one-to-one. There's possibility can get some fact. Let me well, maybe you might have some medical, or you might have some challenge why he or she cannot go back to Nigeria. All those things we don't know yet. Until when we see them, we can use that one as persuasive but our circumstances.
Ṣé pé but legally nílùú yìí èèyàn láti pé 20 ọdún gbáko
tó fi sọ nìyẹn.
Àmọ́ ẹ mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè yí òfin lẹ́sẹ̀ padà bákan tó. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ tó ẹnìkan bèrè studio number ní bíbá yóò 078-503-97511. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sì ń pè láti ẹ̀yìn odi ẹ ṣàfi +44 08035039751. Daddy, iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ń ṣe ìlànà máa pè ní iṣẹ́ ajàfẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn. Mò ń bọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Hello Kọ̀lá, hello.
Hello.
Hello sir.
Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
Iṣẹ́ màrè.
Ọjà Sọpẹ́ ló sọ̀rọ̀.
Ọjà Sọpẹ́ bàbá. Tó bàbá mi kí lẹ rí sí ètò tó ní àmọ̀ràn ọlẹ́wà mi gba ọgbọ́n àwọn ènìyàn kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan.
Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ tó dáa ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí gbogbo wa ń kà láti sort out ni tó dẹ̀ láti yanjú lọ́dún yìí.
Àmín.
Lọ́dún tó parí lórí lọ́sọ̀pọ̀ gbọ́n abẹ́ lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn wí dẹ̀ ń bá wa pé báwa la máa ṣe. Àwọn tó ń pè mí láti bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ pa issue yìí láti ìjẹta tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn pé ṣe rí wẹ́bsáìtì wọn yẹn kí wọ́n bá wa ṣe kí Nigeria commission kó bá wa ṣe lórí wẹ́bsáìtì wọn.
Lórí wẹ́bsáìtì yẹn ìtìjú tí ẹ ní ká má lè lọ sórí wẹ́bsáìtì Nàìjíríà kí ló dé.
Ṣẹ́rí wẹ́bsáìtì wọn yẹn ó wà complicated. Ó wá ń fún àwọn àwa báyìí tí a ní àǹfààní púpọ̀ láti máa lo online tó máa lè fi sú wa yàtọ̀ sáwọn kéèké ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọmọ bó ṣe ń wọ̀bẹ̀. Ṣẹ́rí tó bá lọ sí online tó bá fẹ́ apply gbàdí wàá débi kan wà stopped. Most of the time bóyá máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ́mọ́ ṣe website yẹn káàkiri wọ́n á ní continuation ìkan ti Nigerian
High Commission
foreign affairs ìkan ti kìíní wọ́n ṣà oríṣiríṣi ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tó dáa pé ìgbà míì a máa ń wà jam wọ́n ṣe ètò ẹ pé ó máa wà safe for everybody ó máa easy for wa because ó máa ń frustrate àwọn èèyàn ó máa ń jẹ́ kẹ́lòmíì ìgbà yẹn ló máa ń jẹ́ kẹ́lòmíì lọ sí Nigeria commission láti lọ sí Pakistan láti bẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn á máa introduce ẹ sí illegal àwọn alọ́dúnlọ́wọ́ gbà wọ́n á bá wọn pàdé tó yẹ yín bọ́tọ́ bá ṣe gbogbo kìíní yẹn kọ́ padà lọ sórí kí Nigeria commission kan jọ kọ́ lọ sórí website Nigeria ìwọ́n tó bá fẹ́ gba visa ní Nigeria ní àdúgbò tó fẹ́ gba passport wọ́n ṣe kí online yẹn kó jẹ́ straight forward. Everybody wọ́n tí ò mọ̀ pa internet lọ síbi kan tó bá ti wọbẹ̀ tó ti lè gbé àmì because òun ló fà á tó fi ń sú many people tó jẹ́ pé nígbà míì àwọn èèyàn máa ń wà frustrated ẹlòmíì máa wà discouraged láti go further àwọn kan máa wá source for other means so ló fa gbogbo corruption kan jọ kọ́ bá wa look into the online system kọ́ bá wa play kẹ́ni wọ́n ṣe kó dáa àjẹdá lórí ìdílé mi ní láti sọ. Ẹ
ṣe jàre ó já sọ pé níbi tẹ sọ̀rọ̀ níbẹ̀ parọ́ mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn kan tún wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ Nàìjíríà nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tẹ bá fẹ́ lọ gba passport yín nínú ibẹ̀ ni o wọ́n tún máa sọ wípé tẹ bá fẹ́ kó ètè yá kíákíá ẹ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lágbájá báyìí lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ni o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni nǹkan tó fà náà nìyẹn ṣe tó bá ń pẹ́ láti ilé orí sísẹ́mù ẹ̀ ibùgbé tó rí fún àpò anywhere tó bá ti apply tí gbogbo ẹ ti wà stable tó lè sanwó gbàgbé ọmọ adébì kan ò ní lè sanwó.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Tó bá lè sanwó ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́mi rí ni o a lot of people ẹ̀gbọ́n èmi náà yóò ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bàdí ní. Àjọlọ kọ̀ọ̀tẹ́ẹ̀tì ní láti ẹ̀ máa
told me meeting that she lost.
Gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ni lọ́yà Ìṣàjọlá àjọwọ́ bẹ̀ ni máa tẹ́rí ẹ̀ bàbá activist ni. Lọ́tà wọ́n bẹ̀rù wọ́n bá mi ó sọ fún Ògúntádé ó sọ fún Bàlá ó dẹ̀ tó sọ fún Jọ̀dá Gàìkan lójú mi báyìí àwọn ìtara wà ń bẹ̀ lálọ́ ṣe mí tiẹ̀ pẹ̀lú mi ó sọ fún ọ pé you are going ó ní because gbogbo pátá sọ fún ọ pápátá gólíìsì yẹn kò sí ìtọ́múṣẹ́ rárá wọ́n ṣe for few months bóyá bí a month or 2 months wọ́n rectify àwọn kankan but after then wọ́n tún padà sí ìwárọ̀ tó yẹ yìí so bọ́tà fẹ́ bẹ̀ wọ́n ní jẹ́ báwa bẹ̀ wọ́n lórí fọ́rọ̀mù yẹn ìkọ̀jọ́ àbíkẹ́dábí àti àwọn tó wà involved kọjọ kan ṣe changes yẹn síbẹ̀ yẹn wà okay because a lot of money ni àwọn tó wà ní UK of diaspora san àwọn yẹn náà lọ fi ra mọ́tò tó fi rà ẹni tó fọ́ kìíní yẹn lóòótọ́ kò sẹ́ni tó láìkì nǹkan tó ṣe ọkọ̀ tá à ń sọ nìyẹn ìlú tá a wà yìí o mọ orí èèyàn tó bá deal that is why fáwọn òyìnbó fi máa respect everybody irrespective of ibi tó bá ti wá you understand that is why o mọ orí psychological
problem tó wà lára olúkálukú.
Yeah, so that's why tó bá pàdé èèyàn ní bọ́ọ̀sì gan o máa respect everybody because o mọ who is who so tẹ bá ti frustrate yàn ó possible kó jẹ́ pé nǹkan yẹn ló máa ń tíga àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so Nigeria commission láti change system ẹ̀ àti ní Nigeria western world la wà bàbá wa Nàìjíríà máa mọ̀ pé a máa ń ní àwọn ọgbẹ́ ìtàkùn bára wa ṣe bọ̀ nílùú tí kò ń ṣèlú wa ó yẹ ká lè ṣe wọ́n ṣe é ṣe é fi yẹn báwọn tó gbé mi ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ sáà gbé mi mọ̀ pé àwọn akọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ wa ti dàpọ̀ mọ́ ìṣèlú yìí ṣe understand àwọn ọmọ wa akọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọn ti dàpọ̀ mọ́ ìṣèlú yìí so wọ́n tó bá ń judge from outside òun láti tẹ̀jẹ̀ pé àwọn tó wà ń lu yẹn àdé ìjọba Nàìjíríà fẹ́ràn wọn ẹ tó bá mọ̀ pa ìlú gangan
ní kò gbé síbẹ̀.
tó mọ̀ pa ìlú yẹn tó mọ system rẹ̀ pé kọ́ máa wọ̀ ẹ má kàn fún àlejò kan wá àbíyàn kan torí pé ó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ yín àbí mọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tó bá lè ṣe gbogbo kìíní ẹ̀ sìn by next 2 months this year expect káwọn ẹ̀rọ máa fún wa feedback tó dáa kọ́ máa gbé òkè àbàbà ẹ̀ ṣe gan nǹkan jíjẹ́ ìdáta ọlọ́run á lè fún wọn ṣe.
àmì last question ti máa bè lọ́wọ́ yín rẹ̀ ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú o ìtorí pé ẹ̀yin náà wà lára ẹgbẹ́ AOC ìdí rẹ̀ tí wọ́n fẹ́ bí ní ìbéèrè yìí ẹgbọ́n mi pẹ̀lú gbogbo akitiyan tí bàbá yìí tí wọ́n ń gbà pẹ̀lú gbogbo wàhálà àwọn làálàá kòókò jọ̀ọ́jọ́ mo ti bá wọn pàdé ní Nàìjíríà House àjọ bí ẹ̀mẹ́ta àwọn nìkan ṣo nígbà yẹn tó máa gbé nǹkan dání báyìí tó máa pariwo ìgbà kan tiẹ̀ lọ́lọ́ gbé máikrófóònù tó ń pariwo níwájú Nàìjíríà kí ni èrè wọn gangan àti pé kí ni àmọ̀lọ́wọ́ mi gba àwọn ènìyàn tó ń wọ̀n báyìí ìrànlọ́wọ́ wò la lè ṣe fún wọn nítorí pé ẹni tó fi kànga tiẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tó ń pọnmi sí kànga oníkànga ṣé ẹ̀kọ́ náà bá lóye kó máa bu omi ní kànga tiẹ̀ náà ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bílẹ̀ ṣe sọ kí wá ní èrè tí wọ́n báyìí ìrànlọ́wọ́ wò la fẹ́ ṣe fún wọn.
mo máa rọ àwọn èèyàn ṣẹ́ni tó bá yẹ pé mo ti kù ti sọ̀pọ̀tì bàbá ìdájà ni especially ní UK ká bá sọ̀pọ̀tì wọn dáadáa láti ṣe é àdúgbò àwọn náà máa ẹ̀jọ́ ẹ̀ bàbá ìbò ṣe wà yẹn tó bá dé sí ìkan tó bá rẹwọ̀n nǹkan tó bá dé sílẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ó wà nù tán.
ó wà nù tán.
bàbá kan mà ló jàjà ilẹ̀ ẹ wo UK táwa lẹ́yìn mo lọ wo fíìmù kan àṣé ìgbádùn tá a gbádùn lé ní àwọn obìnrin kan náà jẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀ nígbà yẹn ẹ bá wo UK ẹ bá wo fíìmù yẹn ní kíní kan ìjẹ́kìlá ní fíìmù yẹn mo lọ wò ó ní fíìmù house mo wá ní pé kò ń sí nǹkan tó easy bàbá yìí nínú òjò nínú ẹ̀rù tó máa yọ òkú torí ẹ̀ lèmi ṣe join torí pé ìbáṣe wa ó papọ̀ mọ́ra wọn torí ẹ̀ lèmi ṣe join group wọn èmi náà máa ń try best wọn kọ́tà máa ń ṣe pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí mídíà báyìí náà ẹ bá wa support wọn ẹ ní káwọn èèyàn support wọn tí wọ́n bá ti ń gbọ́ tó bá ti ń gbọ́rú ẹ̀yìn báyìí àwọn èèyàn á rí láì pé bàbá yìí need support lóòótọ́ one ọ̀nà Nàìjíríà he spend a lot of money láti sensitize àwọn èèyàn Nàìjíríà wọ́n ṣe oríṣiríṣi náà he went there last year and then a lot of things don ṣe a lot of owó náà àti bàbá yóò owó lọ́wọ́ anybody so nǹkan tá a lè ṣe náà ni pé whatever the two amount táwọn èèyàn bá lè fi help owó oṣù wọ́n fi help ẹ̀sùn fún àti bàbá yìí á lè máa encourage ẹ̀ yes that's lórí ìjà then àwọn tó wà lórí mídíà náà ní United Kingdom kí gbogbo wa ká pé àwọn èèyàn wa wọ́n support bàbá yìí á ní within 2 months ẹni pé nǹkan á change ní Nigeria commission àdéhùn bá yẹ ti change gbogbo wa náà ló máa affect ìwọ́n tó ń gbé ní Scotland ó ní láti wá sí
Nàìjíríà commission ní báyìí.
ó kọ́ bá ní kó gba nǹkan ẹni ṣe báwọn òyìnbó ń ṣe ẹ tó bá lọ ṣe passport wọ́n máa ń ní ilẹ̀ sí padà ní náà. so London la wà àdẹ̀ sí Nàìjíríà.
ó tó tiẹ̀ ní ìgbà táwọn ọmọ mi fẹ́ gba British passport nílùú yìí wọ́n jù wá bá wọn lé màá nìkẹ́.
so àwọn tó dẹ̀ nínú Nàìjíríà gbọ́ possible DHL wà bẹ́ẹ̀ UPS wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ṣerú ẹ̀ náà bí náà wọ́n lè ṣe Nàìjíríà kò sí nǹkan tó possible o lè sanwó DHL wọ́n ní customs ní wọ́n ní immigration fees wọ́n tẹ̀lé wá sílé ẹ̀ kó sáì fún so kò sí nǹkan tó possible àwa là kàn fẹ́ kó possible torí pé inú ìbàjẹ́ ni mẹ́ni Nàìjíríà ti jẹ́
inú ìbàjẹ́ ló ti ń jẹ́
ọlọ́run á lè ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run á lè fún wa bàbá yẹn ó kí bàbá yẹn because mo ò tí ì rí wẹ̀
ẹbí kò tí ì rí ẹ̀ ní báyìí o.
tó jẹ́ pé ó fa rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ torí ẹ̀ lèmi ṣe ń support wọn torí ẹ̀ tó bá ti pè ní anytime torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe ń jẹ wọn gbogbo àwọn tó bá jẹ́ pé náà jẹ́ ká máa jẹun gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ní time náà ó ní gbogbo àwọn tí ẹ̀ jẹ́ díẹ̀ bá ń jẹ wọn ó máa yá wọn lára yàtọ̀ sówó kan tó bá ń rí ìròyìn wọn máa dùn.
Ọjà Sọpẹ́ thank you very much ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ ọ̀ ṣé o ẹ fẹ̀yìn tí kẹ́ máa gbádùn wa bọ̀ ire o ire kàkà ó dàbọ̀. ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́n láti ẹnu ẹgbọ́n mi Ọjà Sọpẹ́ yìí ṣé ẹ rí i pé yínníyínní kẹ́ni kó ṣe mí o bàbá yóò tọrọ owó lọ́wọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni o bàbá yóò gbégbá bára o àmọ́ ó yẹ káàbọ̀ fúnra wa tá a bá jọ mọ Nàìjíríà tàtà ẹ jẹ́ akọ̀dìdì ìrànlọ́wọ́ wípé bàbá yìí o ó ń gbìyànjú wọn ò ní tọrọ owó àmọ́ ọ̀nà wo la fi lè ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ òye yín bí ọ̀nà wo la fi lè gbà ran bàbá yìí lọ́wọ́ lẹ́yìn jẹ́ bí ní ìbéèrè kan náà kí n tó gbàgbé léyìí ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ sọ ẹni tí ẹ ń wo àwòkọ́ṣe rẹ̀ wípé bí mi náà bá dàgbà mo fẹ́ dàbí lágbájá báyìí 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 dádì àmọ́ eléyìí ti fẹ́ lágbára jù kí ni ohun tó ń fún yín ní agbára yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ó já sọ́pọ̀ yìí sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ lọ sí Nigeria House ẹ sì ń bá olórí wọn fà báyìí pé dádì kí níbo ni ìgboyà yẹn ti ń wá kí lóhun tó fà bá lẹ́yìn ṣe.
tí bá lóye mi gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe wá ìrọ̀lù pa o bá lóye mi ìrọ̀lù pa mo kàn bí pé anytime say I don't pray much but I meditate mo lè wà nínú room mi kí mo quiet place I'll be asking questions then after a while I'll be hearing the response so the response will be noted in the heart so anything I do I don't do it on my own open me. I've made an inquest with upstairs.
Kì í ṣe pé ẹ kọ̀ ọ́ báyìí ó yá ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Because without the backing of upstairs, I can't do anything.
Ẹ dẹ̀ kí n bẹ̀rù ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀rù kankan.
I know the law. Mo mọ limit mi. Ṣé àwọn èèyàn máa ń sọ human right no. We have limited rights. Lórí human rights yìí, article mẹ́ta ló jẹ́ absolute. Àdéhùn rẹ̀ kì í ṣe 100% absolute. No, that is article 3, article 4(1), possibly article 7(1). So àwọn yòókù they are limited rights. So freedom of speech tí gbogbo agbẹ́kẹ̀lé is a limited right. Ó ní nǹkan tí mo lè sọ ó ní nǹkan tí mo lè sọ ní UK yìí kì í ṣe ní Nàìjíríà.
Ó ní nǹkan tẹ́ lè sọ ó lè ní nǹkan tẹ́ lè sọ.
Tí bá sọ nǹkan tí kò yẹ kí n sọ I will lose my freedom of speech by law which is
by law. Ó dà ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lọ sí Nàìjíríà ọ̀sìn yẹn tẹ̀ ń pariwo ń ta lẹ́yìn gbogbo ẹ̀ yẹn ó wà under law.
Mo mọ nǹkan tí mo lè sọ. For example ní last time I called Ambassador Okundade ineffective man, inefficacy man, inept man, unscrupulous man, man. All those
qualify you pẹ̀lú òyìnbó yìí.
All those ones are within my constitutional rights.
Okay.
Tí n bá attack ẹ personally tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pẹ̀lú kò tí mo ń refer sí family ẹ̀ mo ti kọjá limit.
I didn't take a personal nìyẹn. Ó ti yé mi. Tó dádì ẹni nǹkan ń bọ̀ lọ́nà pẹ̀pẹ̀pẹ̀ tí ẹ fẹ́ ṣe ní ẹgbẹ́ AOC ni àbí nǹkan kí ni mo fẹ́ ṣe yẹn lọ.
Ǹjẹ́ a fẹ́ ṣe peaceful protest nísìnyí kì í ṣe AOC ni mo fẹ́ ṣe. Mo sọ fún yín pé tẹ́ bá wo social media mo ti forúkọ àwọn people like you jẹ́ pé àjọ ṣe kìíní tẹ́ pé we are social mo ní forúkọ gbóyè sí as we are all the organizers. Tẹ́ bá rí pé mi ò tí ì fún wọn mi ò tí ì mú date I cannot choose date for you. We all have to come down together and choose date. But what I want to do is I sọ fún wọn in advance pé this month I must say protest. So want to be massive.
What is the protest all about?
It's just the same thing. Sẹ́ni gbogbo kìíní kò tí ì change. Gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń jà fún láti 3-4 years kò tí ì change. Wọ́n ti ṣe ẹ̀kan bẹ́ẹ̀.
Wọ́n ti ṣe ẹ̀kan náà.
Okay, we have 11 complaints by kò tí ì ṣe ẹ̀kan tó ti achieve. 11 náà kò sí ẹ̀kan tó ti achieve.
Number 1, they consider any poor telephone ethic.
No, Sonny, no, you to answer. Mo ní evidence orí phone mi. Ta pé wọ́n tí wọ́n gbé phone.
Actually, insufficient staff and poor ethic, not like
poor ethic, that means the way they talk to you. So you are a customer. They supposed to talk to about see ordinary job center kò fẹ́ gbowó owó ìjọba. They will talk to you politely. You will feel happy.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So
actually start to display ID while in office.
Yes.
Come and go ID. Àmọ́ orúkọ wa tí mo ń bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Orí ẹ pé if anything happen, you know who to report. You know the name of the staff that deal with you.
Actually, the toilet needs to be fixed and clean.
Ṣé toilet wọn wà clean báyìí nísìnyí?
Olùdarí ètò yìí gan mi rí pé yes nítòótọ́ tọ́lẹ́tì Nàìjíríà ṣò dáa. Nàìjíríà High Commission ṣe ń gbọ́ o gbogbo rẹ̀ tí bàbá ti ń parọ́ láti ọjọ́ yìí wọ́n ní ẹ̀ tí ì mú nǹkan kan báyìí ṣe nínú rẹ̀. Ẹ tún ní diaspora need process date quickly.
Let me say it's my mistake it's data.
Data okay.
When I put the PDQ tẹ́ lọ sí any institution ní tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra nǹkan. For instance ẹ máa sanwó by card.
Okay.
Kí ló fà dáa fi ní PDQ machine ní Nigeria Commission? People will have to go and queue in post office, waste their time. They buy postal order, £250, and they pay commission, which they can afford. Why can't we have PDQ machine there for easy accessibility? Everything we did. Now, from my own research, I think that £250, I need to query it now. I think it's a fraud.
£250.
Last year, they increased the lost passports to bad lost. However, before it was £100. They increased it to £250 without our knowledge, without any. I will call the bank on to go to £50. That is poor administration.
Ọ̀rọ̀ rèé o, ẹ lóòkọ̀lá o. Ètò màrè ìyá mi. Ìyàwó ní eléyìí kọ́ sí mà. Má. Abanki mà. Ẹ ṣe gan. Ok.
Wọ́n sọ fún mi pé kẹjọ kẹyìn kí ìdókòwò ọmọ ọba adé ìpínlẹ̀ kẹjọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ní wọ́n. Ọ̀gá ọ̀dọ́ ọba ló ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Ẹ má bínú mọ́ mi, ṣé lórí ti fọ́lùmù yẹn mà? Ẹ lọ mọ́ mi. Ṣé lórí ti fọ́lùmù yẹn mà? A ti sẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a lè tún dìde ká lọ máa increase ẹ̀ lágbọ́dọ̀ náà bá. Ọ̀dà bóyá máa láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ sókè dáadáa kó lè gbọ́. Òótọ́ ni tó bá àwa ń gbọ́ dáadáa nígbà ló fà á bóyá ọ̀dọ̀ wọn lọ́hùn yẹn ní iná ẹ wò.
Ó wà háì mí báyìí. Ẹni káwọn náà kan háì lọ́dọ̀ wọn.
Àwa ń gbọ́ mí báyìí. Ṣé ẹ rí? Okay, thank you very much, Mommy. We'll try and adjust it now. All right, God bless you, ma. Daddy.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Amen.
Yes, please.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mommy, wọ́n tilẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe kankan lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, wọ́n ń pe gbogbo èrò, òun ló ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Yes. Yes.
I don't buy that idea.
Yeah.
I understand angry. I understand you frustrated, but the way you can do things without being a kind of a destructive person, really bad, that.
Thank you very much, ma. Ìyá mi o, kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín mà. Ó bàjẹ́ tí ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Ó dà ọ̀rọ̀. Báyìí. Tó dádì, wọ́n ní kẹ́ bá wọn gbóhùn sókè dáadáa náà, kẹ́ bá wọn gbóhùn sókè dáadáa. Ẹlẹ́kẹ̀fà tí ẹ kọ síbẹ̀ ní no adequate provision for nursing mother, pregnant ladies and elderly.
Okay, let me quickly. Okay, now I hold the meeting pẹ̀lú Deputy High Commissioner Ambassador. Look, I notice pé ibi báyìí náà tó bá jẹ́ pé olóyún o wà disabled wọ́n máa fún ẹ ní little privilege. Could attend to you. Now a lot of people jẹ́ pé àwọn tó máa fi ọmọ wá síbẹ̀ yẹn láti countryside wọ́n jẹ́ kó wọ́n lọ sí school. So tó instead kọ́n lè attend sí wọn káwọn ọmọ yẹn kọ́n lè tètè kọ́n lè travel délé kọ́n lè ní enough sleep. Nígbà tó wọ́n bá kó ní báyìí ní London ní 6. What you want to do àdúgbò.
Kó tó dá àdúgbò wọn kọ́.
You need to, you see, the problem tí mo notice bá ní Nigeria pé we just believe as long as you created a building for a purpose and you put people there, they believe that institution will be established. So either the institution is functioning or not, it is relevant to Nigerian government. And that is the area we notice, and that is what we want to change. That's why we call it positive change.
Positive change. Tó o pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ bí báyìí bíi mọ́kànlá ló ń tẹ̀ kọ́ sí ìyá yín tá a láǹfààní àti máa kọ́.
Náà ni ok láti wọn tí ì ṣe ọkàn. Wọ́n ti ṣe ọkàn. Ṣé bóyá ká máa tí ì kẹ̀ àti àtìfẹ́lẹ́ àti àtìfẹ́lẹ́.
Bàbá mi rẹ̀ o John Ògúnrìnọlá bàbá amòyọ̀ tó ń lọ dádì ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́ o ẹ ní volume too bad you only the volume is too bad ẹ má bínú ẹnjìníà mi bí ẹ bá mi wo microphone wa lọ ẹ bá mi gbé sókè díẹ̀ bóyá kó lọ sókè dáadáa wọ́n ní the volume is too bad ẹ kọ̀ wo bí máìkì ẹ bá increase ẹ dáadáa nítorí pé àwọn ìlànà ò gbọ́ wa lé àmọ́ ẹ ń ṣàlàyé nípa protest yìí sà kí la fẹ́ ṣe ẹ jẹ́ kí ẹnjìníà yìí kí ni wọ́n kọ́ wo volume yẹn ní volume yẹn dáadáa tó láti àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe yìí gangan kí ni ohun tẹ́ ẹ nílò kí lẹ fẹ́ ká mú wá àti pé ṣé gbogbo èèyàn ni ẹ gbà láàyè láti wá bá yín ṣe protest yìí.
gbogbo Nigerians ni.
ẹ ṣàlàyé fún wọn.